Hey everybody, on an adventure today. Here's what we got. And can you guess what it is? Not a pickup, but a pickup bed trailer. This part of the world, these are pretty common to see. Old junk truck, people, cut them in two, put the frame together, put a tongue on them, make little trailers. This is off a little old S10 short bed, so it's a little bitty one. But the price was right. I asked about it and they said I could just have it if I'd come get it. They'd borrow it if they ever needed it, which I know who's got it and I talk to them pretty regular, so they got real trailers, so they'll probably never borrow this, but this will work good for what I wanted to use it for, so at that price you can't argue. Gotta go get it, right? But I'm started scrapping again, and what I want this for is to fill up with aluminum when it's full. Take it to the scrap yard, so it'll be a pretty good payload time to get it full. And aluminum's real easy to get a hold of, so they buy it by the pound, pretty good price. So, but that's what we're gonna do with this, and we're gonna fix it. So, like I said, it's not really good for a lot, but it'll work for that. And I figured I'd make a little truck bed rescue video. It's in a growed up mess out here. Part of the tongue, is missing. Right there, it's all broke, and you can see the wire, or hopefully the camera's picking it up. But I got a kit for this. It wasn't but like 15 bucks, so it's worth that. I'll knock all this out and get the new guts in it, and get it drug out of here. And it's in a growed up mess. I'll probably come down here and hit this with the brush hog real quick. So, and you can see it's just a growed up mess. But I'll probably hit it real quick, make it a little easier on me to come down here and get it. And I will bring you back when that happens, because I ain't going to bore you with that too much. But mainly up here around the front and stuff. And I'm just going to hook it on the chuck wagon with the new seat, might I add. So if you've seen that video, if not, I'll leave it at the end of this one. But anyways, that's where we're at. So I'll brush hog, go get my parts, and I'll come back and show you when we put the parts on. Then we'll get this out of here, check tires. Hopefully they're up. That other side might be low, but hopefully they'll hold there, and we'll get out of here and save it. I'll come back and show you that when we get there. So see you in a bit. Hey everybody, I'm back. So let's see if we can salvage this thing. Alright, first things first, let's get rid of this wire that's holding these guts in. I have replacements. Alright, what I got was just kind of a, let's see what it actually says it is before I open my mouth. Coupler repair kit. Okay, fits 2-inch couplers, but it's universal hitch repair. It's got all the guts. Got any doubts, there's your diagram on the back. So pretty simple. First things first, you gotta get the old out of there. Noise alert. And this might be tricky. Hopefully you can still see. Just like that. It's all gutted. It all fell out. So, hope there's no spiders to bite. Won't see any. Alright. Get this done. And then we will see if the tire will hold there. It's a little bit low. I don't know if it's plumb flat or just low. Hopefully you can still see this. So, just like this. Whew. Alrighty. And we'll put that one on. So as it goes in just like that. That ain't right, that's gotta go underneath. There we go. So wake up. Alright. And this. Tell you what, this is gonna be entertaining. Flip your top up. Guess that don't matter too much. And then this. Pretty simple. And the best part about that's got a nylon on it. A nylon insert, so it shouldn't back off. Yeah, I know you ain't getting to see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to get this done. So, we got it started. Alright, and that's a 3/4 too, at least the one I got is. Let's go ahead and tighten it up a little bit. Of course, ratchet's in the wrong direction. Okay, simple enough. Doesn't say how far you're actually supposed to take it down. I'm gonna go flush for now. Just a hair past it and see what that does. Possibly. Alright. And maybe, hopefully. Yeah, something must be out of whack. Surely I didn't go too far. Alright. Tell you what, I'll figure it out. I'll be back in a minute. Alright everybody, I fought it and I finally got it. It's on there. It'll unlatches and latches easy, so works pretty good now. I could not get it to work with this little spring, which is this one right here, but it's got a nylon on it in that spacer, so it should be fine. I'll just check it from time to time. I could not get this one to work with my receiver hitch I had with this spring. So long story short, that's what I did. I fought it till I was give out. I got tired of messing with it. Alright. It's got a little air in it. And if you ain't got a cordless air compressor, you need one. Even if it ain't this brand, you need one. That's the handiest tool in my cordless set. I use that thing constantly. Whew. So anyways, it's taken air, it's done. This one looks good. It's a little bit low. I'll put some air in it too. So, but we're done. We got the tongue fixed and I know it'll roll out of here, so I ain't too worried about that. So, we rescued the trailer and we're going to put it to good use. So, get it out of here, hooked onto the chuck wagon. Like I said, about give out from fighting that. It's hot and everything else, but that's it. So we got the trailer out. So I guess that's it for this video. So I know it probably wasn't a very exciting one, but we got to rescue something out of the junk pile, so that's always good. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Don't cost nothing. Hit the bell below. Get notified of every video like this and every other video I post. And I guess that's it. So excuse me folks, I am just give out. But anyways, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.